Skills.
Chilling with DJ Skills.
Alright, sheesh. DJ Skills. Back with another one. This time we're going camping. And yeah. We're going to Eagles. I get this name wrong every time. But I'll have the correct name in the title and probably somewhere in the description. But Eagles Peak, I believe. It's gonna be a family camp for Memorial Day weekend. We're gonna be there till Monday. Guess what I got with me? I got my youngest daughter, Naya. She's going with me. We're gonna be meeting my oldest daughter and her husband and family up there. And we're doing something different. We're doing cabin style. We got Gizmo. He's patiently waiting. And yeah.
My bad.
And then we're gonna
Can you pay attention, please?
Alright, hold on, Naya. And then after that we're gonna do some.
Quick. I have sausage, I have blueberries, clip, relish, and strawberry jam for my jelly sandwiches. And then
We're about to go shopping.
I have oatmeal pancake mix, syrup for me, some olive oil, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg.
Alright, good morning. Alright, we're gonna be trying out this new camera. The DJI Action 5. Wanna see how that works with the mic minis as well. So we're gonna be knocking out a couple birds with one stone. We're gonna do some vlogging and some product reviews, sorta kinda. But yeah. Alright, we about to be out. So see y'all on the road.
Did you go to the bath?
Or shopping.
Cause you're in the state.
Two, 1, 2. We almost there. We got about 7 minutes. We got these windy roads. Let y'all check it out. You know what I mean? There's a thing right here. As y'all can see, there's a thing. So we have to park first, and then we have to go inside, and then we have to check in. So I assume that's the thing. Yeah, and we don't have any internet, so like. No service. So, yeah. So he's about to go and check in inside. You can see. Let's go. Say hi to the vlog. So he's going now. Well, he just. There he goes. He's going in. Okay. Yeah. So. Look at, we got so much stuff in the back. There's stuff everywhere.
whole chair is all messed up. So yeah, we're just gonna wait until he comes back from checking in. But we're here, guys. The drive wasn't too bad. It was pretty straightforward. So I think it was like an hour and 30-minute drive. We went to a rest stop so that Gizmo could use the bathroom, and then yeah, we got right back on the road, and it was easy breezy. And we caught a little bit of rain, like a little bit of like a rain attack, but then it stopped. So it was like a 3-minute rain shower. So yeah, but my sister texted it and said that they were going to their in-laws. So they're going to the in-laws and they wanted to pick up the golf cart. So we're just trying to figure out how to do the whole check-in process. So I guess I'll just stay in the car and wait until he comes back, and then he'll let me know some further information on about where to go next. And as you can see, there's people, they're just sitting there. They're just sitting there at the little thing, and that's where we were sitting at. And yeah. So the really nice man, he told us to park first and then check in. I don't know why he left me the car and the windows down. People are staring at me. Oh!
Alright, so we got the map, we got the family, they got the golf cart, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. So you look like you're here full time.
Ooh, these are nice. It says tap and hold to adjust. I think you're losing.
So this is the entrance to the we going to the rustic cabin area.
I know, but the tent is bad. The tent makes it stupid.
Stick it out, son.
Y'all hear him trying to critique my vlogging skills? Okay, right there. See? He doesn't listen.
Over there.
Okay, I gotta unload my vehicle if that's okay with y'all.
Say hi to the vlog. Hey, chill. Cut it out.
Yo, where the rest of the where the rest of the cabin at? All right, so what the kid?
I gave it to Livy.
Oh, Livy got it. So we here with the family, all of them, even the animal. We about to go through. First look. Open the door for me, sweetie.
It's locked.
I know. I'm looking for it. First time going into the rustic cabin.
It's not rustic.
It's called rustic.
Okay, but it's not rustic.
No. And push. And woo! Oh, it's not bad.
I know,
Not
it's
bad
not
at
bad. Really not bad! And look, we have a little.
So you got.
Kinda is bad.
Who got the arrow?
It's really good. And look,
This is
we
cool.
have some food.
We got a table in here.
We have some food. We have a bunch of food. That's why.
Okay, we got food.
We're gonna eat chicken wings.
I got some food too.
We're gonna eat some. We're gonna eat some fried chicken tonight.
Okay. So yeah, this is what the cabin looks like. It's actually nice. I will come back to this joint. Alright, so I'm about to unload and we about to
Before we leave, I'm gonna just show you.
being not clean for the whole
Is
tail.
the bathroom. This side says ladies, that side says men.
Okay, that's
But it's
not bad.
just to go to the bathroom. We gotta find the bathroom. We don't know where the bathroom is.
It's on the map. She showed me. It's like kind of up there somewhere. Alright, so we about to unload and then see what the rest of the night brings. Alright, so I'm about to I'm gonna see if I can get this to flip. But yeah, I'm about to make a run, get some firewood. Daughter is cooking for the family. Hold on. What you got there? She got some pre-cooked chicken in the air fryer. Baby girl, granddaughter out here playing, getting dirty. Gizmo wrapping himself up around the pole. Naya just coming back from the bathroom. Oh, where that key at again, Brittany?
In my bag.
Get her tablet and stuff. Yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, you go hold the camera. And then about to go to the camp store real quick, and then well, let me show you the setup for the bar.
Set up by me.
Set up by Naya. So yeah, we got a little bit of everything. So it's about to go down. Over the in-laws, they already set up and got fire blazing, so we're late to the party.
When are we gonna light our fire?
And then I'm about to get the wood now. And then I want to cook first though. I bought a new grill, and I'll open that up and set that up. It'll be the first time me ever using a propane grill, and we'll see how that plays out. And I'll make me something simple, probably some hot dogs, sausages, and I'm gonna use the grill feature. Well, I could use the griddle. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, I'll be back.
Okay.
This is also actually the first time I'm using a golf cart.
Remember she said be careful with the brakes, sir.
I done drove a vehicle without no brakes.
Britt, watch out for Gizmo because his thing is wrapping around.
Put him in.
Careful with the brakes.
So as y'all see, yeah, there's a lot of RVs, a lot of seasonal RVs. I gotta pull the microphone down.
How do I flip it?
Push that button 3 times.
Which one? This one?
No, stop.
This one?
Yep. We're going up the hill to the camp store. See the seasonal campers out here.
Chilling with teammate skills. You know what I mean?